This is my new house, and this is the courtyard, and this is my new Spanish family.
Hello.
Hola.
Hello.
This is the kitchen where I can cook, but essentially I get all 3 meals a day, and the family helps me with everything essentially. This is their little lounge. Well, this is the big lounge. That's the upstairs where the rest of the family lives. This is the bathroom that I use. The shower is around that corner. And then my quarters are right next door. And next door to that is the study room, where I help their children with English and then study Spanish myself. And this is the smaller lounge. And I found this house essentially through the school that I'm helping teach at, which I highly recommend talking with and seeing what they can do to help you accommodate.